Hey everyone, today we're going to be working on how to calculate the slope from 2 points. So let's get started. So before we begin, you should write down this expression right here. Slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now how does that work? What does that mean? Well, we have two sets of coordinates, right? This is our set 1 and this is our set 2. Okay? So everything in this set is going to be labeled 2, and everything in this set is going to be labeled 1. So in other words, this is going to be x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So now, given our formula, we have y2 minus y1. So let's write that down. So we have 9 as our y2, and our y1 is 7. So we're going to do 9 minus 7. And for our x2, is going to be 4, and then our x1 is 2. So we'll do minus 2. Now, let's write the answer here on the right. 9 minus 7, what is that? Well, that gives us 2. And 4 minus 2 also gives us 2. So we have our slope, which is 2 over 2. And once we solve this, 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1. So S is going to equal to 1. And that's our final answer for this question. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so here we have -3 and 4 and 2 and -5. So let's label them. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. So now let's write it out. So we're going to do y2 minus y1. So -5 minus 4 over, and then we have 2 minus, and then we have a negative sign, -3. So we put two negative signs because we have a minus as part of the equation and a minus sign with a -3. So that's going to be two minus signs back to back. And as you may know from integer rules, that makes a plus sign. So now we're going to have -5 minus 4, that's going to give us -9. And then 2 minus -3, which is going to be addition, it's going to be 5. So our final answer is going to be -9 over 5. There's nothing to simplify, so it will remain as it is. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, so here we have -7 and 10 and -9 and 3. So again, we don't have to label these as this is our third example. So our y2 is going to be 3. And our y1 is going to be 10. So we're going to write 3 minus 10. That we're going to arrive at a negative number. Now, for our x, we do -9 minus -7. Because we have two negative signs. So -7 is added there. Now, let's calculate this. What does this equal? So 3 minus 10 is going to give us -7. And then -9 plus 7, what is that going to give us? That's going to give us a -2. So we arrive at -2. And that's going to be our slope, -7 over -2. But we're not done yet. We have to do one more step. And when we have two negatives in our fraction, what's the rule? It becomes a positive fraction, right? So our final answer is going to be 7 over 2. And that's it. All right. That is how you calculate slope. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.